Hi, my name is Alan Schreiber with TSG Wealth Management. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening. We're going to have a great night. But as head of the client experience for TSG, I want to introduce Jason, head chef and founder of Truffle Shuffle.
Hey guys, how you doing? I've probably cooked for you before, so excited to see you back again tonight. And one thing we wanted to make sure is that we truly care about the clients here at TSG. And we really care about your safety. And tonight we have these unbelievably large and delicious steaks, okay? And with such large and delicious steaks, we have started to see some issues if you let your dogs out, okay? One time, I saw this lady, she cooked her entire steak. She put it on the counter, she turned around, the dog ate it in one bite, okay? The entire thing. It was crazy, all right? Another time, all right, this couple was cooking, the dog jumped up, took the pan, ran to Missouri. No one ever saw the dog again. So we want to make sure that no one loses the dog, okay? And everyone gets to enjoy the steaks out there. So we just wanted to take a second and say, please, do not let your dogs out.
And I want you to meet the whole family tonight. We have Diggy, Jelly, and the big guy. We call him Tiny. Good try. Have a great night, everybody. Cheers.
Thank you so much.